Dr. Oscar. I met him in the Money Expo 3 days ago. I came to his apartment, gave a complete presentation. This is Abhinandan. Okay, this is the place where he stays. Can I just show?
Yeah,
Okay, just this is the place. He's a dental doctor and he has a crypto wallet. Am I right, sir? Doctor?
Yes.
Okay, just share a few things what you learned from me right now, what you understood right now.
There is a good opportunity, but I'm telling you, I would like to give you my feedback, so I'm gonna take my time to give you my feedback.
Yeah.
But that's a good opportunity, I'm telling you.
Yeah. So he knows about already the crypto world and he already has a crypto wallet. Which one you have you told? Trust wallet.
Yes.
Yeah, he has a trust wallet. So today is the 30th June 2025. We met 3 days ago on 26th, 3 or 4 days ago.
Yes.
And I came to his place right now to explain in detail on with the projector.
All right.
Okay, thank you very much,
Have
sir.
a good night.
Okay, and anytime you can message me. You send me the email ID, I will send you the PDF.
We'll be in touch. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
How do I open there?
No, just open the door.
Okay. So, this is the place. He's a doctor, dental doctor. This is Abhinandan again here. Okay. So, he called me to his house only. I told him let us meet at a Monocerita shopping center because there's a crypto exchange. Okay. But he told me come over here, and in his place over here, I explained he had his female friend who also wanted to know how to earn money. Okay, and I gave a complete presentation and I explained to him, open the website on his computer and converted it to Spanish language. And he read everything. I told take 1 day time, don't keep saying you're busy. I told him he's a dental doctor. I told him busy is the new stupidity. Busy is the new stupidity. That is what Warren Buffett says. Okay. So he laughed at it and he understood the complete presentation of 100% instant global earning. I'll repeat once again. What is it about? It's 100% instant global online earning where you earn money in US dollars in a digital format, in a digital asset. You earn in digital asset. So don't ask me again what it is. Though you require nearly 2 hours time. You require 2 hours time to understand everything. And then say, oh, 2 hours. You spend every day 24 hours unproductively, many people. Okay? So if you spend 2 hours time, you will become perfect. So you have to speak to Abhinandan. You have to contact Abhinandan. See, he is one of the more than 15 plus contacts I met in the Money Expo. Okay? In the Money Expo, this place is near this. I came here first and I told I'm over here. He came and picked me up. Alta Vista is over there. Let me walk a little further. It's a nice square over there. I'll continue with the video over there. So I'm carrying my laptop, projector, everything. Let me go there and talk. So I paused the video till here. I came from there. This is Abhinandan. Okay, I do not know what is this locality, but this is in Bogota. So I met this dental doctor on 26th of June at the Money Expo. Like I met more than 15 to 18 people. Lot of people I met, but they gave their numbers. Okay, I am meeting 2 people like this every day or alternate day. Now this doctor invited me to come to his house, his apartment. I explained to him. And there are people, I don't want to name them, if I send them the message, they don't respond. See, one little successful they are in some area of their life. They think they are successful in everything. I did not want to tell them. Okay, just because they built up one house or they have something to do in life, They don't want to understand the technology. And for that kind of people who did not respond, for those kind of people who tell me, okay, contact me and all, and who do not respond after knowing, there are many people even in Bogota or Medellin or in Miami or in Dubai or in India or anywhere. For those people, I am telling you, you are missing something. See, Abhinandan is a voracious reader. I read a lot. I know a lot. I'll be open for any technology. And some of you don't know only. Do you know one thing for the Colombian people I'm saying right now? Who tell, okay, I want to know about it and won't respond on WhatsApp when I send them a message. It is actually they are disrespecting themselves. They are disrespecting themselves. You are disrespecting yourself when you do not respond. Okay, you respond one time and then you don't respond. Whom are you disrespecting? Yourself. Let me tell you a technology for a minute. You all remember once in a generation, once every 20 years, for zero risk, for such a small money, you can create a fortune. I lost that real estate wave. I'm not talking about real estate. 30 years ago, real estate was very cheap in Bangalore. Probably here also, maybe in Bogota or Medellin or Miami. Okay? It was very cheap. In Bangalore for, at current price of $500. At current price of $500, about 25 years ago or 30 years ago, okay, you can get a plot of 1,200 square feet. But today, you won't get it even for $20,000. It is about $20,000. More than that. Like that, that's an example. Like that, in 2009, for 20 peso, you could have got a digital asset. For 20 peso, not 200 peso, 2000 peso. In 2009, $1 was 2000 peso. I am not telling 2000 peso, I am telling 20 peso. For 20 peso, you have purchased a digital asset, a digital technology. For 20 peso, today you know how much is the value of it? It is more than 450 million Colombian peso. It's about, today's price is about $107,000. $107,000. A nice place, no disturbance. Abhinandan is talking, showing the scenery of that building. So, did anyone tell you in 2009? Did anyone tell you, I'm repeating two times. Did anyone tell you in 2009 to pay 20 peso and purchase a digital asset? Even if someone had told you, you know what would be your response? Like some people who have not responded to me. They won't respond. They have not responded to my message. For such people I'm telling. Or some people will respond like words like I'm not interested. In 2009 for 20 peso you could have told I am not interested. I am very busy. Busy. People don't know how to say busy. They'll say I'm busy. Busy without making money. Busy without making money in life. Busy without having a challenging life. So, they'll say, I am not interested. I have no time. I am very busy. I am very busy. Okay, or they'll say it's a scam. Without having the intelligence to ask question, I'll repeat two times because I want the AI software to translate to Spanish language. They won't have the intelligence to ask questions. But for everything they'll say it's a scam. They come to their own wrong conclusion. And one time they will have been successful in life, built up one house and be holding on to one job. And they think that is success. That is not in reality. Okay, anyhow, I've explained so much right now to you. Those who are confident, those who can speak English, those who can understand little bit technology, and those who have 250,000 peso. 250,000 peso is nothing. People spend that kind of money for a football match. When you take 4 people for a restaurant, in a good place, you will end up spending 450,000, 250,000 peso. And when you pay 250,000 peso, you'll understand what is a digital asset technology. Okay? So if you only keep saying you're busy, Warren Buffett, I told to this doctor told, I am busy tomorrow. I told him, busy is the new stupidity, according to Warren Buffett. Busy is the new stupidity. So don't say you're busy and you don't have money. You are a person, many people who say busy, they don't have money. Okay, I am telling that very clearly. I will never use the bad word called I am busy. I do not use the bad word called busy. I will tell, not today, I am engaged today, I have some hectic work. Day after tomorrow I will speak to you, or I will go through your presentation, or I will meet to you, or I will attend your Zoom meeting. That is Abhinandan. That's why Abhinandan is living a challenging life. I liked a challenging life. I wished I had known this in 30 years ago. 30 years ago there was no internet. There was no Airbnb. There was no booking.com. There was no Google Maps. Today it is more easy to travel anywhere. See, morning I sat today, I found my accommodation. I went to Facebook, put accommodations in Bogota. 4 people responded the moment I did my posting. Okay? So Abhinandan has done a video standing over here because I went to the doctor's house over that side, and you can see something called telesenetal. I am a dedicated person. There's no one dedicated in out of 8.2 billion people in the world. I am telling you, I have seen sometimes religious people are the biggest liars. I have seen that. Simply they take the name of God. Okay, but they are the biggest liars. I can give you the stories of them. Okay, anyhow, so let me stop it right now. And any question, WhatsApp me on this particular number. Don't get offended. Abhinandan is a honest person, straightforward person. Your $51 or 2,500 peso, you're not paying anything to me. I'm not begging for your money. Let me tell you, I'm giving you an opportunity. If when people give opportunity, I thank them. And I have many opportunities, which while I'm traveling, I earn money. While I'm traveling, I earn money. See, I bought my laptop, my projector. So on his wall, I explained to the doctor and his girlfriend, okay, how using this digital asset technology, they can create additional money. And he already knows everything. He has a wallet, he has a trust wallet or something like that. He knows USDT, everything. So I can explain for another half an hour. But watch my videos, visit my Facebook page, a 16-year active Facebook page. Since no one is here, I thought I'll record over here, so the voice will be very clear, though there will be a disturbance of the vehicles in between. Okay, that is a station over there, I think the bus station where, what is that, Muso National or something is there. Okay, so if this bag was not there, I can go by cab or I can go by bus, or I could have walked to my place until the stadium, until the convention center. So I'm going to stop right now. This is Abhinandan. Abhinandan is the only person, trainer. No one in USA, no one in India will give their personal number, neither in Colombia. Because I have joined many groups of mentors in Medellin when I was there. They're having Facebook group of 1,000 people and all. They teach about investing. They teach about how to earn money from USA. I'm in more than 15 groups like that with 800,000 people. Local Colombian people. But the trainer over there does not give his WhatsApp number. Abhinandan, you can speak, meet, have coffee with me. Coffee and lunch first time will be on me after I talk to you. Thank you very much. This is Abhinandan again. Okay, that's a nice tower over there. Okay. If I'm not having this, I would have walked. It's very warm also today. I would have walked and gone to my place. I walked from Monosarita. From Monosarita, I walked to my place, which is near Agora Convention Center. It was about 90 minutes walk, but I walked. Though I have the money, I like walking and seeing. That is the reason. Okay, so I'm going to stop right now. It's exactly 16 minutes. 1 plus 6 is 7, which is very lucky for Abhinandan. So let me stop right now. Contact me and speak to me. Don't have a mental block. Let not your self-image, low self-image stop you. Let not your self-image stop you. Okay, ask why your brain is not confident to speak to Abhinandan. Everyone needs a mentor. You can have anyone as a mentor, but that mentor won't speak to you. But with Abhinandan, you can interact and you can start a global earning with just $51 to $55 or about 240,000 to 250,000. You don't give any money to Abhinandan. I tell you to come to that Monosarita shopping center. You purchase a digital asset. You purchase the digital asset and you start. Thank you very much. I'm stopping right now. Okay.